Well, we're out in the greenhouse again. These are the secondary grapes, just not quite ripe yet. My wife came in and straightened up the greenhouse. Still got a little bit of work to do, but it looks a lot better than it did. Peppers are doing great. But these grapes, I check them all the time, about every 2 days. And they're sitting at about a 17 on the bricks. I'd like to get to 20. And there's not that many left. I mean, maybe like a quarter gallon of juice left up in here, but we'll wait. We got time. You're doing all right. I did start some cuttings of some hydrangeas. Got four cuttings going. We'll see how they go. Sitting in the greenhouse. They're underneath the shade. There's a little bit of light coming in, but all in all, it's not that much light. Pretty protected. I want to show you this. This is a jalapeno pepper right here. Look at how tall this thing got. I mean, I can't even reach the top of it. It's gotta be like 7 feet tall, maybe 8 feet. No, not quite 8 feet yet, but it's loaded. Got new flowers coming on. And there's peppers all the way down this thing. New flower here. But yeah, it's loaded with peppers. Pretty happy about that. This one back here, this is the one that overwintered from last year. Just a few flowers and no peppers. So, I don't know about the overwintering. I don't think that was as good of a success as this one here that I just dropped in the spring. This guy here, this Poblano, got one flower. Not a very good producer. This Anaheim's got a couple. Looks like a bug got to it a little bit. But, yeah, not so great. This one back here, Gypsy. This Gypsy, I've taken quite a few peppers off, and look at the size of these things. I've taken 4 or 5 peppers off of that already. That's like a sweet pepper. It's not hot. Not like these down here. What's this other pepper back in here? Look at all of the little flowers are coming on. Oh man, this one's gonna be loaded. What is the name of this one? It just says a red chili, maybe like a cayenne. But these ones, they grow upright, as opposed to the jalapenos that, these grow down. That's interesting. Yeah, so that's gonna be kind of neat. And then my tomato. I'm not big on growing tomatoes. But yeah, just a little update here on the grapes, greenhouse, peppers, and some organizational skills that are lacking from me. My wife is pretty good at organizing. I am not. So I'll leave you with that. Leave you with the gnomes. All right, you guys have a great day.